5 powerful rules for a happier life. Imagine a life where you wake up every morning with a calm mind, a hopeful heart, and a quiet confidence that no matter what the day brings, you can handle it. A life where your smile isn't forced, your heart isn't heavy, and your mind feels at peace with who you are and where you're going. You see, happiness doesn't just happen. It's not something you find when everything finally goes right. It's something you create when you start living by the right principles. In this lesson, we're diving into the 5 powerful rules for a happier life. Not rules written in some self-help book to sound good, but real time-tested lessons that can shift the way you think, feel, and live. Now, let's dive in. Rule 1. Be authentically you. The first rule to a happier life is to be yourself. We live in a world that constantly tells you who to be. Everyone has an opinion on how you should live, look, or act. And the moment you start living for others, you lose yourself. But happiness begins the second you decide to live as your truest self. When you stop pretending, stop hiding, and stop apologizing for being different, that's when you find freedom. Being authentic means owning your story and walking proudly with it. It means accepting that not everyone will understand you, and that's okay. The truth is, no one else can live your life. No one else carries your dreams, your scars, or your lessons. You were made to stand out, not blend in. So don't waste your life trying to fit a mold that was never made for you. Be the person you were meant to be. Bold, imperfect, and unapologetically authentic. Rule 2. Focus on progress, not perfection. If you want to be happy, stop chasing perfection. It doesn't exist. Every moment you spend trying to be perfect is a moment you lose, appreciating how far you've already come. Perfectionism is a thief. It steals your joy and blinds you to your own growth. Life was never meant to be flawless. It was meant to be experienced, learned from, and lived fully. Every small improvement, every little victory, and every lesson learned. That's what builds a meaningful life. When you learn to appreciate progress over perfection, you free yourself from constant pressure. Happiness isn't found in achieving the perfect life. It's found in growing through the imperfect one you already have. Rule 3. Choose courage over comfort. The greatest secret ingredient to happiness is courage. It's what turns ordinary lives into extraordinary stories. Every time you choose courage, to speak up, to start again, to walk away, you create space for happiness to grow. Remember, courage is not about being fearless. It's about facing your fears head-on and refusing to let them control you. You can't build confidence by avoiding challenges. You build it by proving to yourself that you can handle them. Every time you face something hard, you become stronger. Every brave choice you make brings you closer to the life you truly want. So don't be afraid to take that leap. The happiest people are not the ones who never fell. They're the ones who kept getting back up again and again. Rule 4. Protect your peace always. Your peace of mind is sacred. Protect it like your life depends on it, because in many ways it does. Happiness doesn't survive in chaos. It needs space, quiet moments, balance, and boundaries. You have to learn when to say yes, and more importantly, when to say no. You don't owe everyone your energy, time, or emotional space. Some people lift you up, while others drain you. Some environments nurture your growth, while others suffocate it. Protecting your peace means walking away from what constantly disturbs your spirit, even if it means walking away from people, jobs, or habits you once thought you needed. It's not selfish, it's self-respect. Peace is power, and the more you guard it, the more you can give to the things and people that truly matter. When your mind is calm, your heart becomes clear, and clarity leads to happiness. Rule 5. Practice gratitude daily. If there's one simple habit that can change your entire life, it's gratitude. Gratitude shifts your focus from what's missing to what's meaningful. It teaches you to see beauty in the ordinary and to find joy even in the small things. You don't need to wait for something big to happen to be grateful. Start with what you have: your breath, your strength, the roof over your head, the people who care about you, and the opportunities that lie ahead. When you live with gratitude, you realize how much you already have to be happy about. Even your challenges become teachers, shaping your resilience and character. Happiness isn't something you chase, it's something you create from within. Always remember this: you don't need a perfect life to be happy, you need a purposeful one. You don't need to have it all figured out. You just need to have faith that every step is taking you somewhere beautiful. Would you like me to create a summary of these rules that you can save as a daily reminder?